What if I told you, even after working a 9 to 5 job, I'm still chasing an extra £3,000 every single month? Sound crazy, right? But here is the deal. This is not about chasing money. It's about building something meaningful and also proving that financial freedom is possible even after you have a demanding job. For the next few months, I'll be taking you on behind the scene of the 3K Hustle Challenge, where I will try to make an extra £3,000 every single month through brand collaboration, UGC, and making my own marketing business, all while working a full time job in London. And here is the best part, I'll try to teach you on how you can do it too. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step breakdown of this plan, all the income streams that I'll be testing, and my lessons that I have learned from the first month of this challenge. So stay till the end of this video as I will also share some free resources that will help you start your own side hustle today. Part 1. Why am I even doing this? Let's be real. Having just one source of income is way too risky. What if a 9 to 5 disappears tomorrow? I have nothing to fall back on. And in a city like London, where even a Tesco meal deal is £5 now, relying on just one paycheck is not just it. I have always believed in multiple sources of income, but never fully committed to them until now. I set this challenge for myself because I want financial security, more freedom, and let's be real, £3,000 can actually make a difference. It can simply means paying back my student loan, saving for that dream trip, investing in my future, or simply just not stressing over bills every single month. But the question is, can I actually do it? Let's break it down. How am I actually planning to make this happen? Here is the breakdown of three main income streams that I will be focusing on. Number one, brand collaboration and content monetization. I have been creating content on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube, and now is the time to monetize it. Brands pay creator to promote their product, but the trick is knowing how to pitch yourself and negotiate. If you want me to make a dedicated video for you on how to get your first brand deal and how to negotiate for pricing, make sure you comment below and I'll make a dedicated video for you. But before that, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok as I share all the BTS there. Number two, UGC, user generated content. This is one of the best ways to make money as a creator without a big following. You create content for brands' website, their ads, and their social media, and they pay you for it. No posting is required, no big audience is needed. And if you need a step-by-step guide on how to become a UGC creator, you know what to do. Number three, freelancing marketing services. I have experience in social media management, SEO, and personal branding. And now I will be turning that into a business. The challenge, it is to get a high paying client and managing them while working a full time job. I'll document everything here, what works, what flops, and everything that you need to know to get started. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow along. Reality. Can you actually do this? Okay, let's talk about the real struggle. Time. I work 35 hours a week and have a commute of roughly 1.5 hours every single day. That means I only have early mornings, late evenings, or weekends to make this happen. And the truth, it's not going to be easy. Some nights I will be exhausted. Some days I won't even make a single penny. But that's all right. That's the whole point of this challenge, to share real unfiltered journey. And if you're watching this and thinking, I don't have time, trust me, I get it. But just 1 to 2 hours every single day can help you build something great. And if I can do this with a full time job, so can you. Your action plan. I don't want you to just sit and watch me do it. I want you to do it too. And if you're wondering, where do I even start? Here is your action plan that you need to get started today. Number one, pick a side hustle that suits your life. Not all side hustles are the same. If you love making videos, then UGC and brand collaboration can be a great fit for you. But if you're good at writing, designing, marketing, then freelancing is a way to go. Pick something that suits your lifestyle and strength. Number two, set a mini goal for next 30 days. Instead of starting with £3,000 instantly, start with something small, something that makes sense to you and sound realistic. For example, start with getting your first brand collaboration. Challenge yourself to get the first UGC client or getting $100 from your first freelancing client. Set a goal that challenges you but feel realistic. This is just the beginning. I'll keep you updated on everything, what's working, what's not working, and how you can use all this information in your journey. And if you found this video useful, make sure you like this video. It would mean the world to me. And if you're someone who is serious about building side income, this is your channel. So subscribe to it and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on any updates. And if you have any specific question related to pitching, pricing strategies, content creation, or time management, or anything in general, make sure you comment below and I'll make a dedicated video for you. Now, you tell me, if you have to start a side hustle today, what would it be? Let's talk in the comment and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.